Hey, y'all, come look at this.
Have you ever been told you can't do it? Have you ever dreamed of becoming a legend, but life tried to stop you? What if I tell you there was a boy who faced the same? A boy with no money, no support, but a heart stronger than the world. That boy didn't give up, and today he is called the king of football, Cristiano Ronaldo. Stay with me till the end, because his story might change your life.
Hello, welcome back to our channel. Today we will talk about one of the greatest football players in history, Cristiano Ronaldo. Cristiano Ronaldo, born on February 5, 1985 in Madrid, Portugal, is a professional footballer who plays as a forward for Al Nassr and captains to Portugal national team. Nicknamed Christian CR7, he is considered one of the greatest players in history. Ronaldo has won 5 Ballon d'Ors, 3 UEFA Players of the Year awards, 4 European Golden Shoes, and has been named FIFA World Players of the Year 5 times. He holds records for most champions, league goals, most assists, most international appearances, and most international goals. He is also the only player to score 100 goals for different clubs. He began his career with Sporting City before moving to Manchester United in 2003. At United, he won 3 Premier League titles, the Champions League and the FIFA Club World Cup. In 2009, he joined Real Madrid, becoming the club's all-time top scorer with 450 goals and winning 4 Champions League titles. Later he played for Juventus, returned to Manchester United and joined Al Nassr in 2023. Ronaldo made his international debut for Portugal in 2003. He has played in 11 major tournaments, scored in 5 World Cup, and led Portugal to win Euro 2016 and the Nations League in 2019 and 2025. He is one of the most famous and marketable athletes in the world. He has been in the highest paid athlete by Forbes 5 times, and Time listed him among the 100 most influential people with more than 900 career goals. Ronaldo is the all-time top goal scorer in football history. For watching video, don't forget to like and subscribe for more amazing stories.